Hear me now, nation people. Right now is a great look. You see what me I say? For dancehall. Because here what go on. Vybz Kartel EP a forward out. Then the 10th. You see what me I deal with? And we see Skillibeng get the Mobile Award yesterday. You see what me I say? And Pussy Popcorn and Toni-Ann Singh. I think a number one on the iTunes chart. No gimmicks business not that about it. It's a great look for dancehall. You know what I mean? And we love all the Gaza people them a win. And when we say win, we mean big time. No joke shit not that about it. Because the popcorn there and Toni-Ann Singh, January, you can segregate like local artists from international artists. Because if you notice a world song popcorn though, you see what I say? Where everybody can understand. No gimmicks business not there in it, you know, no local. You see it? Yeah, and then you don't know. The World Boss EP now, I go forward out the 10 people. We are going to see if una fans are una cheerleaders. No gimmicks thing not there about it, you know. Because we want to see the support, you know. We want the purchase and we want the streaming too. Because you see the EP, it will be a teachable moment. A teachable episode should said. Because you have a episode one a forward and you know episode few the right around the corner. You see what I say? Yeah, mess up my video now, my brother. You see what I say, rude boy? Yeah, no joke thing in a it. You see me? So big up the world boss because we look forward for that. You know what I mean? We're going to lock it down, nation people. No joke shit, no that about it. We're going to purchase and we're going to stream. You see what I say? Yeah, man. You know, we deal with thing already, you know what I mean? No gimmicks with you see it? And then we have to big up the world boss each and every time. You don't know which part the world boss there and from the world boss, they're right there and a drop project like that, like more than what evil all some artists evil can imagine. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it because whole heap of artists they are road and them nah do them thing them my brother. No joke shit not dead about it, you see it? So we got big up Skillibeng upon him the Mobile Award winner. You know the whole of England shell where yesterday. You know what I mean? Around 20,000 in the house and the man said, you know, say bomb clot. And when the people them say bomb clot, the whole place light up, my brother. So, we have to big up Skillibeng, you see it? No joke shit not dead about it, because you have to remember, you know, Skillibeng is a youth where them underrated, you know. You see what I say in a chat, be a fuck about the youth. I say him nah do no good song, him nah this, him not, them nah feel it, them nah this. When the bigger part of the world, you know, I feel everything where the dog rip off, you know. You see what I say? Yeah. Meanwhile, some local people, they locally run up their mouth. You see what I say? And upon the international scene, them well receive the dog music. You see what I say? And that's why the dog go Billboard 100, England chart, crocodile teeth gone over 375,000. You see what I say? Pan sale. So by early next year, you know, a gold thing there. You see what I say? The boss, a shell where crazy show for the year. You know what I mean? Like more than 40. You see what I say? So you don't see the work where Skillibeng are put out. So there ain't no way them cannot give Skillibeng artists of the year. He might move the genre in a so many ways where you can talk about, my brother. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. You see what I say? No lollipop thing not into it. So big up Skillibeng for the mobile achievement. You see what I say? Big respect, bang bang. No lollipop thing not dead about it. You see what I say? And we look forward for more greatness because I know the album don't ever drop yet. You see what I say? I don't know Popcaan Great is he album a forward because the first drop off it with him and Toni-Ann Singh. You don't see what I do to the iTunes chart, you don't have to know. You don't have to know. Say it crazy. And I know joke shit there about it, you know what I mean? And the girl, she really have a voice too. Because I tell her, so she sell off the song, you see what I say? Yeah, it was a perfect jewel, you see what I say? Yeah, it's a perfect team. No gimmicks business, not there about it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Well presentable, you know what I mean? The girl come like a long time she sing, you see what I say? Yeah. Yeah, man. Her voice solid. The song solid. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. And the people, them, I receive it properly because I already see it already. Say it move all Bob Marley from #1. So you must know, so the song is not a joke song. And then a gimmicks thing, I remember, say it's not even a blood clot. It's not the album drop. I just one of the song off of the album that drop. You see what I say? And for me, she said the single move them where they know the rest of history. Me, personally, I'm crazy over the video. You know what I mean? Well accepted to me. Well done. Well orchestrated. Perfectly delivered. You see what I say? Yeah, so I have to big up the people them who are do it in a dance hall and big up the youth them who are do it locally, set speed. You see what I say? But you don't know when you step on the international market, you have to know, say, I take the music to a different level. You see what I deal with? Yeah, man. So, what I look forward for Great is the album. And we look forward for the Vybz Kartel Prodigy EP, because you know, say, a crazy thing, no joke shit, no dead about it. You see what I say? Yeah, and you don't know what big up Skillibeng at the same time, because guess what? It's just a win-win situation. Remember Vybz Kartel tell him say him alone can't stop himself. That a way before Skillibeng even start get the acknowledgement where him get right now. You see what I'm saying? The reason why Vybz Kartel tell him that Vybz Kartel system different. And him exactly remind him of him himself, you know what I mean? When him does come to dance hall, a total different thing him that do from wherever artist that do. Them never even know about it. Some people are asking what that. I know them get climatized to it. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it. So the same thing with Skillibeng. I'm forward with them style. You know what I mean? Some boy and some people, them act like them not really like the thing. You see what I say? Because they know nothing about what the guy doing. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it. Music not just stop at Jamaica, my brother. Music a worldwide thing. And when you're an international artist, you build music for the whole world consume, my brother. Not just one or two people or one genre people. It no work like that. You know what I mean? So I forgive the man them full respect who we see I do it. You see what I say? Yeah, and for Skillibeng does forward in a dance hall, like 3 years now. Yeah, and I think last year him start the collaboration thing because last year Crocodile Teeth, the remix forward. And you have to say at this year Skillibeng start do all show. Skillibeng never do no show until this year. Him gone over 40 already. No gimmicks thing no dead about it. No lollipop thing no dead about it. I remember said the year they ever done yet and him still have other bookings where him have to go deal with it. See what I say? So we have to big up Skillibeng. You see what I say? As the young sensation who are doing it big time right now. You see what I say? And no man can't take that from him. I think Skillibeng are the artists to the ear. No joke shit not dead about it. I remember the nation of people where I reach. You see me? Or something well huge on Jamaica, my brother. Large on Jamaica. So you can't bypass the youth when you talk about DJ for the ear. You don't know Vybz Kartel and Popcaan them in a class by themselves. No gimmicks thing that about it. If you notice, most of them man their views now come from Jamaica. So when you watch YouTube and Jamaica and see, boy I run down some views thing and I talk about that. No. Them man they do world music. You hear that? A world music them man they do. Because USA, the most streaming come from them man their music. So now gimmicks thing not the inner it. You see what I say? Them man they now run down the local scene. I step them man they step on thing international. Wicked. You know the general, you know, the 10-star one. I represent. What? Gaza, you know. There ain't no other way. Watch.